Hey everyone, today we're going to look at how to find the solutions to a quadratic equation using the quadratic formula. So here's an SAT practice problem adapted from Khan Academy, and we're asked to find the solutions to the equation 3x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. So remember that finding the solutions to a quadratic equation is also called finding the roots, and all we're doing is finding the x-intercepts. In other words, where the parabola intersects the x-axis, right? Where the graph of the line crosses the x-axis. So to do this, we need to set y equal to 0, which is actually already done for us because the whole equation is equal to 0. So we could jump right into using the formula, the quadratic formula, which is negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. So remember the first number here in our equation, the 3, that's the a. This here is the b. This is really just negative 1x, right? Minus 1x. So b is 1, negative 1. And then c is the negative 2 here. So we could just plug these numbers right into our equation. Negative b, so negative 1 added negative 1 is just 1, plus or minus square root. B squared is still 1, minus 4ac divided by 2a. So if we solve this out, we get 1 plus or minus square root. All that becomes 25 divided by 6, which is equal to 1 plus or minus 5 divided by 6. So in this case, we have two solutions, right? There's a positive root and a negative root. So we're going to do the positive one first. 1 plus 5 divided by 6 equal to 6 divided by 6 equals 1. The negative root, 1 minus 5 divided by 6, which is equal to negative 4 over 6. If you simplify that a bit, it's negative 2/3. So those are our two solutions to this equation, 1 and negative 2/3. So we did that by using the quadratic formula here, which is something you definitely want to memorize for the SAT. It's not on the formula sheet, but you'll definitely, most likely, you'll need them from some problems. So definitely try to memorize that. I hope this video was helpful. Be sure to check out the link in the caption below.